Hello. In this video we're going to remove vinyl letters from a working van. If that is something you're trying to do, the way I'm doing it, using a drill, and this is the eraser. Or rubbery, so when it spins it will remove the letters. It was removed here earlier. It leaves a little glue behind, but I will use lacquer thinner to take care of that, but it was there before, it's not there now at all. So I want to show you here how do I remove, hopefully help you out as well. So here what I'm using requires a little pressure on the spins and force downwards with one hand, and the other one you have to do this motion just like an eraser you do it on a paper. So a little pressure and move up and down and it will be removed. Let's do it. Okay, so we did a little bit just to get an idea. Then once in a while, because all the letters here become like dusty, gluey things, you don't want to keep on taking it with the eraser and spew it all over the paint. So just wipe. You can see there's very little left over. Now that we can see clear, but it comes right off. So I'm going to use the lacquer thinner afterwards. It will look like new. It should take about a good hour's work to remove the entire side of the truck. And I go over it and we take the rest of the material off. If you want to wash your car after using lacquer thinner, that would be nice. I usually work with this. You can use whatever you want. That worked before, and I just go back with a wet cloth and I wash the car with a little water afterwards, and before this settles, and work is finished. Good luck. Everything is clear, it looks great. Some residue back, but it came out very nice. I'm going to use a little lacquer thinner and a clean rag. These lines, and then you go over with a lacquer thinner, and everything is good, shines like new. The lacquer thinner dries very quickly though, so you have to keep on using it, but look at that. Nothing on it. Very well. It's finished. Looks nice and shiny. No evidence of vinyl lettering there before. Job was done.